Good morning, good morning. Good morning, gising bayan. So, madaling araw na po tayo. Habang nagmamasid po tayo, mga kabayan, gagawa po tayo ng reaction po dahil nga po sa mga message po ni Madam Lisa Araneta Marcos po sa kay Inday Sara po. So hanggang ngayon guys, hanggang ngayon po mga kabayan, trending pa po yung message na yun. So viral na viral ngayon.
On her allegedly frosty relationships with the president's sister and the vice president. Pia Gutierrez has tonight's top story.
In an exclusive interview on the YouTube channel of media personalities at Taberna, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos admitted that her relationship with Vice President Sara Duterte has soured. Shortly after the latter's father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, accused Philippine leader Ferdinand Marcos Jr. of being a drug addict during a rally in Davao City.
When she went to Davao, Duterte said, "Oh, bangag, diba?" Imagine a former president calling, bangag. I mean, wow, in 6 years, why did you call, bangag, diba? So, and then the camera panned on her, tumatawa. So, syempre nakita ko, sabi ko, wow, man, I mean, masakit yan for me, nasaktan ako because my husband will do everything to protect you. You ran together, diba? Sama-sama tayo babangon ulit. Pupunta ka sa rally, tatawagin yung presidente mong bangag. Diba you're going to laugh? Tama ba yan? Even Lenny never did that.
Rumors of a supposed rift between the Vice President and the First Lady first surfaced in February, when people noticed how Mrs. Marcos snubbed Duterte during the first couple's departure ceremony for Vietnam.
O, they had a departure time na, diba? So, nandito sa dito po. Normally, nag-usap kami. Ayoko. Tapos, sabi ni, somebody went to, uy, ang ganda mo today. Hindi, bangag. No reaction. So, hindi, bangag is the name of the, I said that, bangag is the word or day. Talaga, no reaction. So, yun. And after that, I stopped her. I do it again.
Wala bang, bakit naman hindi sorry man lang after that?
But siya din sa akin. And then she says, sorry or whatever. Maybe she will. Maybe she crossed the line. And then going down sa Prague, nakita ko siya ulit, di ba? Sabi ko, behave. Sabi ko, wrong person, honey.
The First Lady's statements are expected to further flame tensions between the Marcoses and the Dutertes, two of the country's most powerful political clans. President Marcos Jr. earlier described his relations with the Duterte family as complicated, but said that his working relationship with VP Sara Duterte remains the same. On Friday, both the President and the Vice President attended the graduation of the PNP Lion Team of Class of 2024, where they both appeared unbothered by the issues. They also refused to grant media interviews. Meanwhile, the First Lady declined to answer questions as to whether her sister-in-law, Senator Ivy Marcos, should have defended her brother from Duterte's tirades.
Maybe you should ask her. I'm just the outlaw. I know what line not to cross. Well, every Sunday, we have a family lunch. Once kami mami said, Iya, hindi mo inibito si Ivy sa mga sa mama ko ba? May group chat kami, lagi kami dyan. Sabi niya, anong group chat? Mami ko. No, but she's always invited.
Ayan po guys. Ayan po mga kababayan. So buong bansa po. Viral na po ang message po ni Madam Lisa. At tama po, bad chat po si Inday Sara sa inyo. Hindi nyo ba alam na napakaraming Pilipino, napakaraming mga mamamayan ng bansang Pilipinas na good chat si Inday Sara? Promise. Siguro sa nasa 100%, nasa 10% lang po yung bad chat si Inday Sara, dahil hindi po nila matanggap yung mga ginagawa po ni Inday Sara na napakaganda po. Grabe ng mga nangyari ngayon. Hindi nyo ba alam na karamihan sa mga Pilipino bad chat, dahil lalong tumaas po yung presyo ng mga bilihin. Sa inyo pa nanggagaling yung bad chat na buti sinasabi nyo yung budget, dahil naalala ng mga tao yung kung sinong tunay na na budget po sa mga tao. Mga kababayan ko po, isang paalala lang po, lahat po tayo ay kung sakali makakarating tayo sa pinakatuktok po, ay huwag po tayo maging kampante, dahil lahat po ng bagay dito po sa mundo ay may katapusan. Mas mainam po na maganda po yung maiwan po natin, na magandang legacy po, dahil hindi po tayo makakalimutan ng mga tao. Ako hindi ko kakilala po yung mga family Duterte, pero ang dahil po sa impact ng ginagawa po ng family Duterte, lalo na po kay former President Duterte, kahit pa paano wala tayong masabi sa kanila, dahil napakaganda po mga ginagawa po ni former President Duterte. Yung sinasabi po nilang sabay-sabay bumangon tayo sa Pilipinas, naku po, baliktad po ang nangyayari. Mas lalo po tayo lumulubog. Yung mga mahirap kagaya po namin, mas lalong nahihirapan. So nakakalungkot po. Hanggang dito muna yung reaction po natin, Gising Bayan.